channel where we're gonna do many fun activities for your friends and family. So let's get on with the video. So what we're gonna do today is some pesto. We're doing green pesto today. And what you need, instead of pine nuts, we're using walnuts. Also some Parmesan cheese, some pink salt, also some olive oil, and a food processor. So let's get started. I already polished the walnuts, and now we're gonna put all of the basil inside. And now we're gonna put all of the cheese. Just dump it inside. And now we have to put the cap on. Twist it nice and secure. And now it's time to mix. Okay, now it's mixed and it should look like that. And now we're gonna put some salt. I think that's enough. And now let's put a little bit pepper because I don't like pepper. Okay, now we're gonna use the olive oil. And let's put this. And that will be good. Now we should mix it. Put this to the side. Now after you mixed it, you're gonna put again olive oil until it's smooth. Okay, now you have it. Easy homemade pesto from scratch. And that's how it should look like. I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to see more videos like this, tap this button and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Bye!